sale has remained unchanged from last week at 1,117 properties. It's Friday, June 3rd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Buyer activity on the shore has slowed, but inventory remains low. Here's an overview of market activity this past week. 93 properties are coming soon, and this is further down from the week prior. 174 homes came to the market since last week's report, which is up. 93 properties are temporarily off the market. 95 properties went under contract, and this is down from recent weeks. 142 properties went to pending, which is a rise from last week. 212 properties settled in 8 days. This is 1 day longer than in prior weeks. The highest sale this past week was in Ocean City for $2,350,000. Available rentals rose to 40 properties at a $1,725 median lease price. Do you have questions about the changing market? Reach out to me to discuss what's happening in the market right now and how it may impact your housing position. That's this week's Maryland The Shore Report for Friday, June 3rd, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week.